Hi, my fabulous viewers. It's Korea Rika once again. Let's talk about the top 12 things men that you should not do on a first date. Number 1. Is to be late. Number 2. Get there on time to show respect for your date's time and commitment. Number 3. Don't talk about past relationships. Number 4. Don't discuss your exes or previous dating experiences. Number 5. Being disrespectful or rude. Number 6. Treat your date with kindness, courtesy, and respect. Number 7. Overdoing compliments. While compliments are nice, excessive flattery can come across as insincere. Number 8. Talking only about yourself. Show genuine interest in your date and engage in meaningful conversation. Number 9. Being too pushy or aggressive. Respect personal boundaries and avoid pressuring your date. Number 10. Using your phone excessively. Stay present and focused on your date rather than being distracted by your phone. Number 11. Oversharing personal information. Maintain a balance between being open and preserving some privacy. Number 12. Criticizing or being judgmental. Avoid being overly critical or judgmental towards your date or others. Respect intimacy or make inappropriate advances. Respect your date's boundaries and let things progress naturally. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or any requests for future videos. I love hearing from you all. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon. Until next time, take care and remember to stay fabulous.